ET Brand Equity brings to you top stories of this week. ETBrandEquity.com hosted a full-day DigiPlus conclave on Thursday that involved experts from across the world who indulged in fireside chats and panel discussions on topics like artificial intelligence in advertising, digital transformation, featured sessions, and more. It also hosted the second edition of the DigiPlus Awards that recognize brilliance in digital marketing. Mindshare bagged Digital Agency of the Year Gold, while Pepsi was named Digital Brand of the Year. A total of 62 awards were conferred under different categories. 26 gold, 23 silver, and 13 bronze were announced for this edition of the prestigious awards. Other highlights from the awards involved Shruti Samant from P&G Health, who won the gold in the category of Digital Marketer of the Year, and Hiru Dhingra from What Consult, who bagged the gold in the Digital Person of the Year category. Advertising and media giant WPP announced that it has acquired DTI Digital, a Brazilian digital innovation and software engineering company. The acquisition is in line with WPP's objectives outlined in its December 2020 Capital Markets Day to expand its presence in the faster-growing areas of experience, commerce, and technology. In particular, it will strengthen WPP's capabilities in supporting its clients' end-to-end digital transformation objectives in Brazil and beyond by complementing and expanding WPP's existing ad tech and systems integrations capabilities. A US-based news organization has filed a lawsuit against Facebook and Alphabet, the parent company of Google, alleging that the tech giants with their dominance over the digital advertising market adversely affected an important revenue source. The lawsuit makes the argument that Google and Facebook represent a digital monopoly that should be broken up. The complaint also alleges that Facebook and Google violated antitrust laws in the US by attempting to consolidate their dominance of the digital advertising market, striking a secret pact codenamed Jedi Blue to manipulate online auctions. The International Cricket Council has announced EdTech company Byju's as their global partner from 2021 to 2023. The 3-year agreement will see Byju's partner all ICC events over the period, including the forthcoming ICC Men's T20 World Cup in India and the ICC Women's Cricket World Cup in New Zealand. Byju's will also work closely with the ICC to deepen engagement with fans through the creation of innovative campaigns. A 30-second ad in support of the ongoing farmers' protest in India was aired in the USA's Central Valley during the Super Bowl on February 7th. The video opens with a quote by Martin Luther King Jr., "Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere." It features several scenes with visuals from the protests. After serving for 5 years at Twitter India, Mahima Kaul, who is currently Director Public Policy India and South Asia at the microblogging platform, has moved on, the company said on Sunday. Kaul quit in January, according to the company, which is currently in the eye of the storm following some controversial farmer tweets. She will continue in her role till the end of March. More than 12,000 complaints were received with regard to misleading advertisements on television between 2017 and 2020, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting informed Lok Sabha on Friday. In a written response to a question, Union Minister Prakash Javadekar said that a total of 12,187 complaints were received in the Grievance Against Misleading Advertisements portal during the period. The minister said that out of these complaints, 8,963 were resolved either by withdrawal or modification of advertisements.
We just successfully concluded the second edition of the DigiPlus Conclave. And one tribe, conspicuous in its absence, or rather limited presence, was the advertising guys. But then, the advertising guys are masters of digital, no? Just the other day, I was meeting a senior agency leader and he was raving about the newly designed website of his organization. Wait, let me show it to you, he says, and clicks on the laptop. The website would just not pop up. There seems to be a problem with my internet connection, he says in all seriousness, and starts looking around. Just then, a senior agency executive, the chief strategy officer no less, was passing by. अरे अपने नए वेबसाइट का ईमेल आईडी तो जरा बताना. This person tells the chief strategy officer. The strategy officer, without blinking an eye or missing a beat, says the URL loudly and walks away.
That is all for this week. You can find us on our social media handles mentioned on the screen.